What's the meaning of acute angle? Acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. In other words, it is an angle that is smaller than a right angle. Acute angles are commonly found in many geometric shapes such as triangles and rectangles. They are important to understand in mathematics because they help us analyze and solve problems related to shapes and spatial relationships. For example, in a right triangle, the sum of the two acute angles is always equal to 90 degrees. Understanding how to identify and work with acute angles is a fundamental skill in geometry and many other mathematical disciplines.